So right now we're in comfort mode. The steering wheel is in comfort mode, the transmission, engine, the drive is very comfortable. The windows on the E-Class, they are double insulated, so it makes the cabin nice and quiet. The E-Class has a very elegant interior, has a nice like exclusive trim. It's black trim with like silver white lining. Got the beautiful blue ambient lighting. We can go here to the vehicle settings. You could select the dynamic select. It shows different configurations on different screen. Like you got engine data, shows the horsepower, foot-pound of torque, we switch it to sport mode, puts everything in sport mode. As you can see, the screen changes to red. The ESP is a Sport Plus, transmission is sport, engines is sport. She moves. Being a 2020 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, 4MATIC, E350, definitely a good car. The turning radius is good, handles very well, no oversteer. Because this car does have good tires. Driving around the back roads in the city, very comfortable. It's like a smaller version of the S-Class. This car does have the adaptive cruise control, so I gotta do this off. Now it's on. Set the speed. 40. Has like auto steer assist, lane keep assist. If you guys enjoyed this video of me doing the point of view driving on this 2020 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC, Definitely hit the like, subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless.